I was picking up my children on school, and I was just in the line, and I felt a hit on the back, and it was my first time in a car crash, so I was lost and confused. You were very kind for the situation that I was having. You explained me everything in Spanish because, like I said, I'm from Puerto Rico, and even when you speak the language, the core things are complicated to understand. I think it's terms complicated. So you explained me everything in Spanish. You was with me in all the process, and I feel very comfortable, very supported, and I understand everything in each part of the process. For sure. Even I wasn't thinking on gain everything with this, and now I gain something, so I recommend you for sure. I think everything was perfect. Like I said, you explained me everything, and it's something that if you are not in a car crash, you don't know about the how this works. So you explain me everything, and I understand everything, so I feel very good and satisfied.